Today we're diving into a crucial topic for all iPhone users: how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Whether you have an iPhone 12, 13, or 14, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to ensure your data is safely backed up. First things first, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi Fi. Backing up over cellular data can be slow and may use up your data allowance. Open your iPhone settings app. Next, tap on your name at the top of the settings menu. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. From here, select iCloud. You'll see a list of apps and services that are using iCloud. Look for iCloud Backup and tap on it. Make sure that iCloud Backup is turned on. If it's not, toggle the switch to enable it. Once iCloud Backup is enabled, you'll see an option to backup now. Tap on this to start an immediate backup. Your phone will start backing up to iCloud. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data you have and your Wi-Fi speed. Once the backup is complete, you can see the date and time of your last successful backup under backup now. And that's it. Your iPhone data is now safely backed up to iCloud. Remember, iCloud backups include your photo, messages, app data, and more. Everything you need to restore your iPhone if you ever get a new one or if you need to reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.